Respect.
Yeah, massive respect. You are amazing, sir. Mr. Kililal, have a good race day. And also the athletes from the country we didn't mention, welcome to you. Thank you for racing with us. Irina, to your countrymen. All the best. Have a wonderful race day. Smiling. Thank you all. Nice work, I promise.
The pink lady, the crazy lady, great. Ve bütün emniyet mensuplarımıza teşekkür ediyoruz bugün için.
Nikita. Where is Nikita?
Aynen öyle bir aş.
Nikita.